In the insurance world, speed is power. Accuracy is credibility. But in the age of artificial intelligence, there is a third, equally crucial foundation: trust. At NorthSure Insurance, a bold vision emerged. Let AI handle the straightforward claims, so our best people can focus on what truly requires judgment, empathy, and scrutiny. This wasn't about automation for automation's sake. It was about crafting a new kind of intelligence system, one that wouldn't just act fast, but would act wisely. And that kind of system demanded architecture not just for performance, but for responsibility. Chapter 1. From Vision to Design, Architecting for Trust. The business didn't just want faster claims. They wanted a system that could read documents and extract meaningful details, predict claim risk with nuance and fairness, route low-risk claims for automatic approval, involve humans when judgment or ethical nuance was needed, learn and improve from every decision. But none of this could be done with plug-and-play tools. This was not a coding problem. It was an architecture challenge, and it called for the leadership of an enterprise AI architect. Chapter 2. The architecture as an ecosystem. The architecture wasn't one big machine. It was a living system with modular, ethical, and scalable parts. Each piece mattered. Data ingestion and preparation. Connected to legacy mainframes and databases. Used real-time streaming tools to bring in incoming claim data. Transformed handwritten notes and PDFs into structured fields using optical character recognition. Stripped out sensitive personal data to prevent privacy leakage in model training. This wasn't just data transfer. It was data design for AI readiness. Modeling and inference. Multiple models worked in harmony. A natural language model to interpret the claim descriptions. A statistical model to evaluate structured variables like claim amount, customer profile, and risk history. A rules engine to fast-track very simple, high-confidence approvals. All model behavior was tracked and controlled through a central orchestration framework. The goal wasn't a perfect model. The goal was a reliable, interpretable, and modular intelligence system. Human-in-the-loop design. Claims adjusters were given a real-time dashboard that showed the AI's decision, how confident it was, why it reached that conclusion. Every time a human disagreed with the model, that feedback went back into the training loop. The result was not blind automation. It was augmented judgment. MLOps and governance. CI/CD pipelines ensured code, models, and data pipelines were versioned and safely deployed. Every model prediction could be traced back, what data was used, which model version, and whether a human overruled it. Bias checks and fairness metrics were continuously monitored. Architecture wasn't just technical. It was governed, explainable, and auditable by design. Chapter 3. The outcome. Within months of deployment, 40% of low-complexity claims were processed automatically. Average time to resolution dropped by over 80%. Adjusters trusted the system more, not less, as they worked with it. The architecture pattern was replicated in other areas like fraud detection and underwriting. But the most important shift wasn't operational. It was cultural. We no longer saw AI as an algorithm. We began to see it as a colleague, a system we could trust, question, and improve together. Chapter 4. Words from the architect. The lead AI architect shared this insight: the hardest part wasn't building a smart model. It was designing a system that respected human judgment, scaled safely, and could evolve without fear. We weren't just building software. We were building an intelligent partnership. Closing reflection. This case study proves one thing: in modern enterprises, AI architecture is not just about cloud platforms or scalable pipelines. It is about creating visibility into invisible logic, embedding ethics into technical choices, designing systems that help people trust what they cannot fully understand. And the AI architect? They are no longer just a systems engineer. They are the strategic designer of the organization's intelligence, shaping not just what it can do, but what it believes is possible.